Good day, everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use the very basic debugging function. Come with the Visual Studio 2019 software. And let me show you the application here. And then there is a bug. Okay, I purposely do that. Okay, so let me click the compute button. And then you can see that the result should be 15, but then the app can return the value of 8. Okay, so again, let me try it again. Okay, yeah. So it should be, the area should be 15 for rectangle, but it returned 8. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how to use the debug function to find out what went wrong in the code. And then as you can see that I have a kind of 3 input boxes over here. The third one here is the read only. Okay, so this one will be for the width. Yeah, and then I give a name width over here. This one will be the length. I give a name width over there, length over there, and this will be the area. I pick a name, a value area over there, and then the value will get from the view back. Okay, yeah. So let me switch to my controller here. Okay, so this the first index method will be the HTTP GET. Okay, so when the user requests the web form, this is what it looked like on the first load. Okay, and then once the data got filled in, then when the user click the compute button, then this method will be called, and the value from the width input box, length input box will be passed in as parameters to the index with the HTTP post request here, and then it will do the computation. All right, so let me show you how to set the breakpoint, using the debugging function. So to set the breakpoint, you just move the mouse pointer to the statement. In this case, I will use line number, it will be easier. So assume that I want to set the breakpoint at the line 24, then I just need to click on it. Then you can see that the red dot showed up. If I want to remove it, I can just click again. That's it. Okay, yeah. So let me put one here. Okay, and if you want to put another one, let's say at the line 27, which corresponding to this statement, you can click on it to set up multiple breakpoint. It really doesn't matter. But to keep things simple, I will just keep one over there. Okay. And then now, assume that I'm going to run the debug mode. Okay, yeah. So let me click debug and start without debugging. To use the debugging function, you have to pick this option here. Okay, start with debugging. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, so you can see that the application showed up. Okay, but then it just enter the sorry, it just call the index this index HTML HTTP GET method. Okay, and then now assume that I'm going to enter some value 3 and then 4, and then I'm going to click the compute button. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you can see on the left hand side that and now the flow control transfer to the index method under the HTTP post request, and this is highlighted. Not only that, inside the red dot, there is an arrow sign. Let me see whether I can zoom in a little bit or not. Yeah, you can see that there's a arrow sign that which means that the next statement it will execute will be this one, but then as of now, it stopped here. The statement hadn't been executed yet. Okay, yeah. But then the good thing of using this debugging mode is that I can use the so-called data tip, which means that if I move the mouse pointer on top over the variable or the parameter here, width, then you can see that it will show me the value it got stored inside the variable, which is 3. And then you can see that on the right hand side here, indeed, I enter 3, right? And I can use the same approach. Yeah, then you can see that the value got stored in this variable length parameter is 4, which is good, right? So now I want to execute this statement. So what can I do? then I can use the so-called step-in function. Okay, yeah, this is the step-in function. Okay, this one, sorry, yeah. Okay, so I can click on it. Okay, then you can see that once I click on it, then this statement will be executed, and then the error will show what next statement is. The next statement is which statement next will be waiting to be executed. Okay, so let me click the step into. Okay, there we go. So you can see that now it indicated this statement hadn't been executed yet. But through again the theta tip approach a moment ago, then I can check what is the value got stored in the local variable area, which is 0, which is good, right? Which is good. All right, and then now I want to execute this statement. So I can use the step into. Again, step into means execute one statement at a time. Then I can use the data tip to check value for the length is 4, value for the width is 3, so 3 times 4 should be 12. But then I found out that no, I mean the value is 7, right? The value is 7. So apparently, sorry, let me try it again. Yeah, okay. So the value is 7. So apparently, that I missed something, right? The value is here is 7. Okay. So then when I re-examine my statement, I found out, oh no, I typed it wrong. It should be multiplication operator instead of addition operator. So that kind of again can help me quickly locate the bug. Okay, and then of course, I can execute the next statement using the step into. Okay, again, then I can check that the value now in the local variable area will be 7, which is wrong. We all know that. But then how about the value in the buildbacks dot area key variable? Then it's 7. And then again, it will stop over here. So what is going to happen if we continue on clicking the step into? Then again, step into means execute the statement one at a time. If we keep going, then it will say that, hey, you're done with the step into and about to execute the step over. Okay, step over means that are kind of about to done executing this method. Do you want to do that? So, oh yeah, sure, go ahead. Click yes. There we go. So you can see that the value showed up is 7. Okay, is 7. All right. Okay. So how about let me start the debugging and make the correction. Okay. So now if I try multiplication instead of addition, let me save it, compile it again. Okay. Yeah. And then let me again once it's done compiling, let me run the debugging function again. Okay, yeah. So start debugging. And then let me quickly enter some value. Maybe 3 this time. Let me try 5. Okay, and then click compute. Okay, so again flow control. Now transfer to the index method under the HTTP post request. And then I can do the step into. Again, step into means execute the current statement, okay, one at a time, and then one more time. Then I can check the value. Okay, so input value for the length is 5. Agree with what I put it, the user entered over here, right? Okay, or me as a programmer. Okay. And then 3 for the width, which is correct. And we expect that the area of a rectangle should be 15, right? There we go. Okay, so it's correct. And now with the value check, we assume that there is no need to check the next statement. And then now we can use this so-called step out. Step out means to execute the remaining statements in the current method. Okay, yeah, there you go. Let's try that if you want to. Boom. Okay, so it gives us 15, and that's it. That's it. Okay, yeah. So you say, well, can I stop the debugging? Yes, of course. Yeah, start the debugging. But at the same time, I would recommend you that after you've done the testing, you might want to remove the breakpoint. Okay, you say, what do you mean by that? Because if you do not remove it, Then even, okay, let me close the application, okay, close the application, okay, yeah. And then when I reopen it up, okay, then you can see that the breakpoint is still there, okay, yeah. But then if I remove it, okay, remove it, and then close the application, okay. And then when the next time I reopen it up again, okay, then you can see that the breakpoint is not there, okay. So again, keep a good habit, okay. Once you're done testing, maybe when you don't need to use it, remove it. Of course, I mean, there are other more functions, okay, such as, okay, you can go to the debug, okay, and then, okay, kind of use, okay, different functions, okay, to do the local check-in, okay, for the local variables. But then I would like to keep the video short, okay. So, okay, there's really no need to make things too complicated, okay. So now I can quickly do a quick testing, start without debugging, and then maybe enter values such as kind of 3, this I can try 2 in my mind. I know, oh, I mean the result should be 6, okay, that's correct, and reset it, okay, and then also test, maybe with some floating point values, yeah. So this is about right, okay. So I think that will be all, okay, yeah. So again, feel free to play with it, okay. Set the breakpoint, okay, if you want to, okay, remove them, okay. Yeah, so it's a good tool, okay. Yeah, feel free to try it. Let me stop the recording. Yep.